In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dashboards in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clear snapshot of your project's health using Asana's built-in dashboard tools. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home page. This is your jumping off point for everything you'll do next. From here, look to the left sidebar and click Projects. If you don't see it right away, make sure the sidebar is expanded. You'll see a list of projects you have access to. Choose the one you want to track. Picking the right project matters because each dashboard reflects only the work inside that specific project. Once you're inside the project, switch to the Dashboard tab near the top. This is where you'll build and view your project metrics. If it's your first time here, you may see a few suggested charts or an empty canvas ready for you to customize. Click Add Widget to start shaping the view. Think of widgets as tiles that summarize your data. You can usually select what the widget measures, apply filters like assignee or section, and sometimes choose a date range. Give each widget a clear purpose so anyone glancing at the dashboard understands what they're seeing. Add or review the total completed tasks widget to quickly understand throughput. This number tells you how much work has been finished in the project. If you can set a time frame, try aligning it with your sprint or reporting cycle so the figure reflects recent progress. Clicking into the metric often lets you see the underlying tasks, which is helpful for audits or stand-ups. Next, look at total incomplete tasks. This represents your remaining workload. It's a great way to spot growing backlogs. Consider filtering by assignee or section to understand where work is clustering and use it to balance workloads during planning. Total overdue tasks is your early warning system. This count highlights tasks with due dates behind today. If the number is high, drill in to see patterns. Are due dates unrealistic, or are certain dependencies blocking progress? Use this view to reset timelines and unblock owners. Finally, keep an eye on total tasks for overall volume. Comparing total tasks to completed and incomplete gives you context, how far along you are and how much is left. When these numbers move together in the expected direction, your plan is on track. As you build, keep your dashboard simple and readable. Title widgets clearly, apply consistent filters, and arrange tiles so the most important insights sit at the top. With this setup, your Asana dashboard becomes a reliable, at-a-glance report you can trust for updates, planning, and decision-making.